Hello everyone, you are in the Software Insights and Education channel. My name is Guru Raj Avdhani and today's topic for discussion is pre-sales in IT services. So you might have heard of pre-sales. Pre-sales is nothing but it's a bridge between sales and technology teams. Why we call it as pre-sales is before a transaction takes place in sales, the pre-sales team supports them in opportunity creation through different types of activities that we are going to discuss now. So, this pre-sales person will have a fair understanding of what is sales and also technology. So that's why it's a techno-commercial role and it's going to assist salespeople in closing the business. It largely involves responding to various types of document requests that come in from customers. It might be request for information, it might be request for proposal or request for quotation. So these are the three types of documents that normally people or customers ask, and the pre-sales function will be to respond to these documents apart from initiation from the company itself towards an opportunity. So it involves a lot of coordination also between the management with the technical people. So largely the technical people will be the architects, the project managers, the delivery heads, software engineers. These are the technical people whom you will be interacting on a daily basis for different opportunities. Also, you will be talking to the sales team where the opportunity has come from. You will also speak to the HR and finance teams for responding to questions related to organization structure, for example, and the company's revenue for the last few years. You will have to take it from the finance team. Also, you will get involved in a lot of conference calls with customers, with other stakeholders, such as what we discussed just above. You are also going to prepare project plans, effort estimations on the project that is in question. So you will have to sit with project managers to identify who are the key people to be assigned for this project if we were to get this project. So all has to be planned. Everything has to be planned to be given to the customers in terms of documentation. So that will help us to plan as well. Also, you will have to mention the technologies that you are going to use, the server infrastructure, the the computer infrastructure that you're going to use, what are the requirements, minimum requirements that the customer need to have to get this solutioning done. Also, it calls for reviews of proposals once it is written. So your leaders or your team who work in tandem with you will review the proposals and then approve, and then you will have a workflow for your team as well, so you can manage all of the proposal requests or other kind of requests that can normally come in. So this workflow is going to help you to assign tasks, review tasks, and also manage it better. This calls for some kind of ownership and accountability towards document submission to the salespeople, because salesperson would have already committed a particular date for the customer, and we have to see that as pre-sales team members adhere to the time that the salesperson has committed. So this will breed additional responsibilities. So we will have to work day in and day out to see that the submission of document is done on time. If you have a domain experience and competency in certain technology area, that could be of quite help while proposal preparation. So if there is a banking solution that is solicited, and you have a domain experience in banking, so you can help the proposal team in writing the proper response. And if you have a competency in certain technology area, and if you feel that Java is better than .NET, you can recommend Java and its advantages over .NET in select cases. Then customers challenges would involve different kinds of approach, whether an on-site model would work or just an offshore model would work, or any kind of engagement that would help the customer in terms of, for example, he might require security, he might require resources in a niche technical skill, niche domain, etc. So you will have to give an approach as to how you're going to address the solution, because there is a lot of competition while addressing the proposal. And if you are fair enough to give some pointers as to why your approach is going to stand out, then customer might consider your proposal. The pre-sales will also involve product demonstrations if you have something to show in terms of a product that's going to be solving a problem of the customer. Then there are select cases where you will have to prepare and come up with proof of concepts and pilots so that customer gets a lot of confidence in the solution, and then he can give a big project after this concept and pilot is done. So in many cases, customer will ask for such work to be done from the company. To address all these documentations and then proposals and then assisting the salesperson in closing an opportunity, you will need to use a document management system so that all the documents are in place and they can be fetched any point of time whenever the salesperson is requesting for such a document. So this will make your process efficient, this will make your work easy, and you'll be able to meet your job specification clearly. So a document management system which gives you a flexibility to search for any kind of document will fulfill the needs of the pre-sales job. So with this comes a lot of visibility in the company. So if you are looking for a visible role in an IT environment, then pre-sales is one of the top roles I would suggest to be in the limelight, because you're going to talk to so many people in the organization that people will have a lot of trust and faith in you, because you are working for the organization, you are working for getting new projects to the company, and uh, understand that it's going to be a techno commercial role. You will gain a lot of insights into technology as well as the sales function. So overall you will get good knowledge in the IT services industry. So I hope you have got a fair understanding of what pre-sales is, and like the video, share it, and also subscribe. And I will be also creating new videos on software again in the next episode. Thank you so much.